how's it going? So I just want to show you this amazing find nakita ko sa Shopee. I'm planning to buy it. So this is nakabundle na siya. Meron ka ng CPU and the motherboard na and may RAM and also may heatsink. So they have tons of options. Not actually tons, pero you have around 7 options. You can buy an i3, an i5, second gen or third gen. So you can buy an i5 na third gen, sobrang malakas yan, good for gaming. And then meron kang choice na DDR3 4 gig. You can message the seller if you want it 8 gig, so dalawang 4 gig. So guys, it only costs 3,888. This is good for Roblox, LOL, Crossfire, Dota 2, and CSGO. So yan guys, 3,888 lang. So guys, if you're interested, I'll put a link sa baba. So